Kaya mo siya, nagilinis siya na. Very good ng dada namin Nagilinis, naglalampaso yan
I have to repeat footprints.
Footprints?
I want to put
I-clean the footprints?
No, it's footprints. It's just 2 points.
Sige na, clean mo yung footprints.
The footprints is footprints under the ground in my room.
What?
Like in my room, it's footprints in that.
Sige na, clean mo na yung footprints.
It's under my feet. I thought it's a tool.
Labas ka kasi ng labas
I